Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, traction control, keyless entry, stability control, power steering, cruise control, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Kissee Ford is a family-owned business that is currently enjoying its 60th year as a Ford dealer in Claremore. I don't know if you've seen from our online reviews, our goal at Kissee Ford is to cultivate repeat customers. I believe this is one reason we have enjoyed 60 years in business. We do this by giving each customer the dignity, courtesy, and honesty that they deserve, not only during the sales process, but throughout their entire ownership experience. At Kissee Ford, you will always receive the fairest and best price possible. For all of our customers, I want to say thank you. To those who have never tried us, I invite you to come see Kissee and experience our sales and ownership process. I think you will enjoy the difference.